So there are process. So you need to ask these questions. So when you define a customer survey, you need to ask these questions. Who means who? What is the background of that customer? Where he work? Head of human resources. This is an example. So he's a head of human resources, worked in the same company for 10 years. He is married with 2 kids. So you know now what is his background, what your customer look like.
His
Biography. Then his demographics. Where does he live? Age, income, and what is that? Skews female. Yeah, means she's a female basically. She's a female, age 30 to 35. How much household income they have, where they live. These are demographics. So you need to understand male or female, age, income, and location. Then you have identifiers. What is their personality look like? They are calm. They may have an assistant. Maybe they have a secretary. Maybe they have additional collateral mailed or printed, asked to receive they don't want digital. They always want printed material to see. So means that you don't want to waste your money in website. You may want them to print the collaterals. Correct? So especially that is the importance. Then what are their goals and what are their challenges? Especially particularly relating to the product and services you are providing. So if you are doing the real estate business, what kind of challenges they have? Do they have a house? They may not have a house. They may be looking for a rental. They may be looking to sell the house. They may be looking for renovating the house. They may be looking for interior decoration or source content. So what are their goals? They want to keep the employee happy and support the legal and finance team. That's their goal, which is okay. It's just good to understand the customer profile. Then challenges. She wants everything done with a small staff. That is her challenge. And then she wants roll out the changes to the entire company. You're just trying to understand their challenges. And what can we do to help them? Right? So if you are a real estate company, you can say, okay, maybe their challenge is they don't have a house. They want renovation of the house. They are relocating the house. They are changing the house. What you can do? You can provide those services, right? You can provide interior decoration. You can provide the house. You can provide them brokerage services. You can provide them consulting. Free consulting also can. So free consulting will attract them. If you are just giving them, okay, where to buy a house. If they want to buy a house, any article which explain how to buy a house in Yangon will help them. They will be interested to read, right? Because they are buying a house. So when you are doing the content on your website, you need to keep in mind what kind of content you want on your website. Okay, so for example, when this lady is giving you the profile or offer to create the content, you're gonna ask them how and what kind of content she's gonna create. Not only about the company, what they are doing, also think about the customer needs. Otherwise, you will not be able to attract customers nowadays. How many times you go on website and read the company information? Very rare, right? But if the website has information about which is helping you to understand something new, learning new, then you go and spend time, right? Correct? You are reading the articles. If the company promotes, okay, maybe a survey of real estate companies in Yangon, houses in Yangon, what are the different sizes, who lives there, what are the selling price per square feet, what are the rental prices, you will be interested in that information. Correct? But you will not be interested in knowing that this company is making what kind of size, where are their projects. It's not your business. You are hardly going there to read that kind of information, right? So one time finished, you will not go there again because you don't get any value. So understanding the challenges will help to write down the contents on your website, on your blogs, your social media posts, your Facebook posts, your LinkedIn posts, the pictures, the video, whatever content you create will be catered towards these challenges and the goals. and what you can what kind of services you are providing them. Otherwise they will not be attracted to you. That is very simple.
The content also has to be very relevant to the project, right?
Of course, they has to be relevant to the client
The client.
who is going to use
To
them.
our clients.
Yeah.
Targeted
Of course, our
clients.
Yes.
Yeah.
That should be-
So for example, you are doing a marketing agency, right?
Right?
So what kind of customers will be willing to use your services? So you need to create your own persona.
Yeah.
Maybe they are a business who may want to sell their products and services, may not have a marketing department, maybe looking at ways to grow their business digitally, or maybe they are going to organize any event. So if let's say you write a blog how to conduct events in Yangon, relevant peoples will be interested,
Yeah.
because you are providing some services which other marketers will be interested in.
Yeah.
The other director of sales and marketing will be interested in to do the events, because you are doing event management.
Correct.
So you need to create the content that may be appealing to your particular market. Correct?
Yeah.
So that is the one way. Then why they may need solutions, your solutions. What kind of, why they need your solutions? So real quotations means when you are interviewing the peoples, then you are getting this information.
Oh.
It has been difficult for getting company-wide adoption of new technologies. I don't have time to train new employees. I have to deal with so many proper interrogations. In case of real estate business, you may be listening to your customers. It's very difficult to find a good housing in Yangon. The prices are super expensive, or we cannot trust the developer with the services that they are offering, that they are not transparent, right?
Okay.
Or the project does not have approvals, or is getting delayed in the product. So when you know their challenges,
Yeah.
you can create the content to solve these problems, to
Right.
attack,
Yeah.
because you know already what will attract them.
Yeah.
And when you have a problem, when you are going to find anything on the internet, you will start with your questions. These are the questions that
Right.
people will start.
Yeah.
So you know what kind of questions you need to answer in your content to attract them, right?
Okay.
It will be easier
Right.
to attract.
Right.
This is very easy when we are explaining,
Sure.
but it's very hard to do. So it's don't expect to it will be easy. It's going to be very challenging. Okay. Then what are the common objectives? I am worried I will lose data transfer. I don't want to have train the entire company how to use the new system. So these are the common objective. What your company will be, what your customer will be telling you. So why wouldn't they buy your product and services? So you need to understand what they are concerned,
Yeah.
right?
They
So
might have some objection.
they definitely will have some of the options. They may think your marketing service will be expensive, correct?
Right.
So you need to tell them, no, we are not expensive.
We have done
Yeah.
one with my ex-boss.
Yeah, so you can tell them actually that
Objection.
they may be concerned about your ability to do it. So you need to show them credentials
Right.
that I have done this marketing, I have generated this much of growth. If your customers are in a fit that maybe marketing agencies are not useful, they just take money
Right.
without delivering any result.
Right.
So what are you going to propose to them? What kind of content? You may want to have a review from your existing clients,
Yeah.
maybe a video, maybe a post,
Right.
maybe a recommendation on the Facebook page. So you have many ways of
Correct.
getting it done.
Yeah. That's right. Okay.
Now how to offer to your customer profiles. So that is also a part of customer profile. Marketing messages. What kind of messages you will describe your solution to the persona? What kind of services you are going to do to them? So for example, now this company is doing integrated HR database management. So your problem was that data will be lost. They don't want to train,
Sorry.
right? But so they are providing your solutions, right? So you need to provide, you need to think of what kind of marketing message you are going to give.
Right.
Your marketing message may be a 360-degree marketing solution, or one-stop solution for all your marketing needs. That is one type of marketing message, right?
Right.
So you can think of a marketing message like a tagline, what you want to propose to your customers. So you need to think and come up with a line.
Right. we always create based on the client's needs and wants.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can say
Right.
customized solution.
Right.
So you are giving a customized solution that you need. Maybe
Right.
can be your marketing message.
Yeah.
The solutions which you need, not us, we are providing. You
Correct.
need whatever you need, we provide.
Yeah.
Simple.
Right.
And what is your elevator pitch? Do you mean what? You understand what is elevator?
Elevator is up and go down.
Yeah. So how many seconds it stay on the one floor?
Maybe 5 or 10.
That, so
maximum five.
means whatever you need to say in that 5 seconds. So that is called elevator pitch.
Okay.
Means a very short sentence, 2 sentences which you can finish in 5 to 10 seconds. So that is the message here. So we give you intuitive database that integrates with your existing software and problems. Lifelong training with to help your new employees to get a speed subsequently quickly. That is their elevator pitch. What will be your elevator pitch? As you said, we provide the customer needs. We solve the customer problems.
Yeah.
Or as customer needs, we create solutions
Right.
as per customer problems.
Yeah.
Right? So
Right.
that is your elevator pitch.
Correct.
So you can say, okay, we will give you a customized solution based on your needs,
Right.
based on your business needs. So that becomes your elevator pitch. So people will be interested to know only one sentence.
Right.
No bullshit around.
Correct. Correct.
Right?
Yeah, that's true.
So exactly means that if they want to inquire within, like, you will give a very quick response. Something like that, right?
And very
Very
concrete,
specific.
very specific.
Specific. Okay.
Yeah.
Not sharing
No,
the
no,
details, not going viral because people don't have time to
Yeah.
read
Right. Yeah.
or to listen. They are very busy.
Okay.
So as quick and as crisp as possible.
That's really wonderful. Okay, that's good.
Right? So that is the customer profile. So any question about customer profile? I will give you this template
Marketing messaging.
which you will be which you can create now. So as a part of your own exercise, you can create your own customer profile similar to this. All the 10 segments.
Elevator pitch.
Elevator pitch.
It's very interesting. I like that. Very
How
effective.
about the photo or picture?
Yeah, you can use photo picture also, but it's usually a quote.
I see.
Okay, so you need to create your customer profile. If you want this training to be successful, means to gain something, not just listen and forget, you better do it.
Okay.
Okay, so I will give you the template.
Wow. Yeah.
You need to create your customer profile by yourself,
Yeah.
and next time when we meet, you need to show it to me.